In our previous lecture, we discussed about second unit, packaging material, in which we see firstly what is packaging, pharmaceutical packaging, that is introduction of packaging material, in which packaging, it is a science, art and technology of enclosing or protecting the product for the distribution, storage, sales and their use. And pharmaceutical packaging, it is defined as an economical means of providing presentation, protection, identification, information, convenience, compliance, integrity, that is quality and stability of the product. This is known as pharmaceutical packaging. There are different types of the material used for the packaging material, in which rubber, plastic, then paper, metals, in which first one, glass. Advantages of glass, disadvantages of glass, then types of the glass. Up to this, were covered in our previous lecture. The next type of material or material used for the packaging is plastic. Before that, tell me advantages of the glass.
They are transparent.
Next,
They are available in various
They are
shapes and sizes.
sizes. They can withstand the
They
variation in temperature and pressure. They are economical and readily available.
They are natural after proper transfer.
They protect
Treatment.
photosynthetic.
They do not
they can protect photosensitive medicaments from the light during their storage. Disadvantages,
Glass is fragile.
that is breakable.
Easily broken when dropped.
release
which increase the cost of transportation.
Why it increases cost of transportation?
Glass container are heavy.
Okay. Then glass container may releases alkali to the aqueous filtration. Tell me the types of packaging. How many types?
Three types.
Three types.
Primary, secondary,
Primary, tertiary.
packaging, tertiary packaging.
Primary packaging and tertiary packaging. Types of packaging material. How many types?
Three types.
Primary packaging, secondary packaging.
Primary, secondary, tertiary.
Primary, secondary, and tertiary.
First one is primary packaging. Then second one, secondary and tertiary. Examples of primary packaging.
Container and closure, glass and plastic bottle, blister packaging, stick packaging.
Bristol.
In primary packaging, medicament are direct contact with the container or not?
Direct contact with the
Container.
Direct contact with
Container.
In primary packaging, medicaments are directly contact with the packaging material. Their examples:
container,
glass,
plastic
bottle, blister packaging.
Okay, what about secondary packaging?
outer covering box.
For the primary packaging,
Should not contact with
packaging material.
Packaging material. Medicaments should not contact with packaging material.
With packaging.
examples:
Outer covering box.
Then what is about tertiary packaging?
This is type of packaging rarely seen
Rarely
by
This type
consumers.
of packaging really seen by consumers.
Examples.
Brown
Brown
cardboard,
cardboard,
Brown
boxes,
cardboard,
wooden pallets,
charcoal,
takeover.
This type of the packaging is rarely seen by the consumer and it facilitates protection, handling, warehousing, storage, and transportation of series of the sale. Means particularly this type of packaging is done at the time of shipping. Then next one, components of the packaging. Container, closures, curtains, box. Tell me the types of container.
single dose container,
dose
multi-dose
container,
container,
single-dose container, multi-dose container,
type
container,
closure,
containers,
zipper,
closure container, per evident containers, containers.
containers.
After the advantages and disadvantages, we discuss composition of glass, then types of the glass, then their composition. First one is lime soda glass, second borosilicate glass, third one silicone treated glass, fourth sulfur glass, fifth one neutral glass, in which it is used for the preparation of multi-dose vials, ampoules, and transfusion bottles. These are the transfusion bottles. Screen is visible to all.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
These are the transfusion bottles. These are the vials and ampoules. In which ampoules are the small sealed glass capsule and they containing liquid. And especially they are measured quantity ready for the injecting. Means vials. In the vials, the liquid preparation which is used for injecting through these injections. Also in the ampoules. Which glass is used for the preparation of multi-dose containers, vials, and ampoules and transfusion bottles?
Neutral glass,
Neutral glass.
What is the composition of neutral glass?
SiO2,
It is
B2O3.
silicon oxide, 7 to 10
Silicon oxide, barium trioxide, aluminum
oxide, 7 to 10
sodium
percent,
oxide, boron
aluminum
oxide, and
oxide
potassium oxide.
percent, sodium oxide 6 to 8%, barium oxide 2 to 4%, and potassium oxide 0.5 to 2%.
So neutral glass, it is used for the preparation of multi-dose containers, vials. Vials means they are small glass bottles. These are the small glass bottles. Did you see the image?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the vials. They are the small glass bottles and they containing a liquid. Then these are the ampoules. Ampoules are again, they are small sealed glass capsule containing. These are made from the glass. Then transfusion fluids, bottles, in which transfusion bottles, they are either made from the glass or from the plastic. So these are the transfusion bottles. Now do you understand what are the ampoules, vials, and transfusion bottles?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall we start next point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Last one type of glass is the umber colored glass. This is umber colored bottle. amber colored glass container is used for the storage of photosensitive pharmaceutical product. Means those are the pharmaceutical product. They are sensitive to the light. They are stored in the amber colored bottle. Then it is obtained by adding carbon, sulfur, iron, then magnesium dioxide. Then some preparations are very sensitive to the lead or arsenic. Also, they are stored in the amber colored glass. Means the preparations, they are sensitive to lead, arsenic or the light. They are stored in amber colored glass container. Means the container which is manufactured or prepared from the amber colored glass. Do you know amber colored container?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, however, some substances which are highly sensitive to the light colored glass, which may be used, but it should be transparent and it should be transparent to permit the visual inspection of its content. Means there are some substances, they are highly sensitive to the light colored glass and they are used for the visual inspection. Sometimes amber colored glass containers are not used. Amber colored glass containers are used only for the pharmaceutical product. They show photosensitive effect or photosensitive to the light, or also they are very sensitive to the lead or arsenic. Then they are stored in the amber colored glass container. Then the following types of the glass are used for the preparation contain mean for the storage of parental preparations. Means for the parental preparations, such type of the glass containers are used. And type 1, type 2 and type 3, the 3 types of the glass in the amber colored container, in which type first glass is known as borosilicate glass or the neutral glass. Okay, up to the amber color container, they are used for the photosensitive pharmaceutical product, and they are obtained from added by CS, Fe and magnesium dioxide. Then review of this glass, in which first one glass, type first glass is known as neutral glass. Neutral glass is type first glass. This one asked for MCQ or objective. Which glass is known as type first glass? Which glass?
Neutral glass.
Neutral glass.
Neutral glass is also known as type first glass and also borosilicate glass. Then type second glass, it is soda lime silicate glass. Second type is soda lime silicate glass. Then third one, soda lime. So type third glass is the soda lime silicate glass with moderate hydrolytic resistance. Means it having the moderate hydrolytic resistance. And in type second, soda lime silicate glass with the highly hydrolytic resistance. Means type second glass ha highly hydrolytic resistance आहे. And type third, it is also soda lime silicate glass but with only moderate hydrolytic resistance. In type second, highly hydrolytic resistance, and type third, moderate hydrolytic resistance. This is about glass. Then next packaging material is plastic. Glass, it is used as a packaging material, in which we discuss firstly introduction of the glass, after that their advantages, disadvantages, composition, then types of glass, containers, types of container. In their types, we discuss this glass is used for which pharmaceutical product and their composition. Up to this, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Which material is used as a packaging material? Which materials are used as a packaging material for the pharmaceutical product?
Glass.
Glass.
Only glass.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Glass, plastic.
Metal. Rubber. Rubber.
Okay. So glass, plastic, metal, rubber. In which glass it is complete here. The next packaging material is plastic. Plastic containers are very commonly used in the pharmaceutical packaging material because of their following advantages. Advantages of the plastic. They are poor conductor of heat. They are light in weight and can be handled easily. They can be transported easily and they have sufficient mechanical strength. They are unbreakable, that is non-fragile or fragile. Unbreakable means fragile or non-fragile.
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 Then next advantage is they are available in various size and shape. They have good protection power and their resistance to inorganic chemicals. These are the advantages of the plastic. Roll number 12, are you present? Sound is
Yes,
audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 12, read the advantages of plastic.
Poor conductor of air. They are light in weight and can be handled easily. They can transport easily. They have sufficient mechanical strength. They are unbroken, unbrokenable. They are available in various size and shape. They are good protection power. They are resistant to in, in inorganic chemical.
Okay, so in which first one is poor conductor of heat, means plastic are the substances, they are poor conductors of heat. Any idea about poor conductor? What is meaning of poor conductor of heat? Anyone?
Electricity pass होत नाही.
Means
Electron.
the substances they do not conduct the heat easily. They do not pass the heat easily. That is, they are poor conductor of heat. Then next, they are light in weight and can be handled easily. Means plastic containers. They are easily handled and light in weight.
खरं आता काय झालं नव्हतं तर आंबायतच म्हणल्यावर ती रडायला लागली.
Roll number 35, mute yourself. It is light in weight. Glass are light in weight or heavy?
Heavy.
Heavy.
Plastics are light in weight. Then they are transported easily. The plastic containers आहेत, they are transported easily. They do not require special packaging. Packaging साठी in the transportation of glass container, particular criteria, they are transported in the safely in brown colored boxes. Then there is not requirement for the plastic container. They are transported easily because they are not breakable. Then they have sufficient mechanical strength. Plastic containers having sufficient mechanical strength. Then next, they are unbreakable or breakable. Plastic
Unbreakable.
containers are
Unbreakable.
breakable. Glass containers are breakable or unbreakable?
breakable.
Breakable. Glass container is breakable.
Glass container is breakable. It is advantage of glass or disadvantage of glass.
मॅम आवाज येत नाही नीट.
Disadvantage.
Disadvantage of glass.
Containers
Glass
are
is breakable.
So glass, plastic containers, they are unbreakable, and glass containers,
Breakable.
Breakable.
it is advantage of glass or disadvantage.
Disadvantage of glass.
Disadvantage.
The next advantage of the plastic is they are available in various size and shape. Plastic containers are available in various, that is different size and shape. They have good protection power. Plastic containers having good protection power provide the good protection power to the pharmaceutical product. Then they are resistant to inorganic chemicals, means they opposes to the inorganic chemical. If they are contact with the pharmaceutical product, then plastic containers, they resist to this inorganic chemical. These are the advantages of the plastic. Plastic or glass?
Plastic.
म्हणते
The next disadvantages of the plastic in which they are relatively
विषय सुद्धा नाही बोललोच नाही त्या विषयावर तर विषयच काढला नाही. आता आंबा आहे तसं म्हणून
disadvantages of plastic in which they are relatively expensive. What is expensive? Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
महाग.
Okay. Then next one is they may react with a certain chemical and to cause distortion. Distortion means mispresentation. Plastic container in which the pharmaceutical products are filled up, they may interact with the certain chemicals and they may cause distortion, means there is misrepresentation provide करतात. Then they cannot withstand with the heat. हीटच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये प्लास्टिक राहू शकत नाही. Then they are permeable to the water vapor and atmospheric gases. Means water vapor and atmospheric gases च्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये ते permeable होतात. Means their effect water vapor चा प्लास्टिक वर इफेक्ट होतो माहितीये.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And also some atmospheric gases. Then special type of gum or additives required for the labeling. For labeling of the plastic container, special type of the gum or additives are required. Additive means additives are the substances or the preparation which bind the two separate items together. Fevikwik additive मध्ये येतं. Gums or additives are required for the labeling of the plastic container. These are the disadvantages of plastic. They cannot withstand with the heat. हा पॉइंट समजलाय? cannot. हिटच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये प्लास्टिक कंटेनर आज सच राहतील का?
येस मॅम समजले. नो मॅम.
हिटच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये
नाही
प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स आहेत हिटच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आल्यावर काय होईल?
वितरण
चेंज होतो त्याच्या शेप मध्ये, राईट?
येस मॅम.
येस मॅम
So this is disadvantage of the plastic, that is they cannot withstand with the heat. Then next composition of the plastic, it is high molecular weight. Then plastics are the synthetic polymer. What is synthetic? Do you know about synthetic? Natural and synthetic.
Yes ma'am.
Tell me.
Man-made.
Man-made.
Means
Natural
these are
plant or animals पासून न मिळालेले man-made तयार केले.
प्रोसेस करून किंवा सिंथेसिस करून नॅचरल प्रोडक्ट पासून एक न्यू प्रोडक्ट और पॉलिमर तयार करणे, दॅट इज सिंथेटिक. सो प्लास्टिक्स आर द सिंथेटिक मीन्स जे नॅचरली अवेलेबल मटेरियल आहे त्याचं सिंथेसिस किंवा त्याच्यावर प्रोसेसेस करून जे ऑब्टेन केले जातं दॅट इज सिंथेटिक. प्लास्टिक्स आर द सिंथेटिक पॉलिमर. की प्लास्टिक ऍज सच अवेलेबल असतं नॅचरली? Yes or no?
No ma'am.
Plastics are synthetic polymer and they are having the high molecular weight. Then next, plastic polymers are commonly used in which polyethylene, then polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polyacrylate, polymethyl acrylate, polypropylene, polyamide, then polycarbonate. These are the types of plastic, or these are the different polymers of the plastic. Plastics are the synthetic polymers, and these are the different commonly used plastic polymers are. Which polymers are commonly used?
Polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene,
Polyacrylate, polymethyl acrylate, polypropylene, polyamide, polycarbonate.
So plastics are the synthetic polymer and they contain polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polycarbonate, polypropylene, polyamide, polymethyl acrylate. Then next, additive included in the plastic formulation. Additives means these are the substances that are added during the formulation or the manufacturing of the plastic to improve or to preserve this container. So additives are included or added in the plastic formulation. Individual polymer have its own merits and demerits. What is merits and demerits?
advantages and disadvantages.
Individual polymer means हे जे individual polymers आहेत, polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, this individual plastic or the polymer having its own merits and the demerits, in which first one, polyethylene, that is polyethylene. Screen is visible to all.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is first plastic polymer?
Polyethylene.
Polyethylene.
Polythene.
It is also known as polythene. Roll number 64. Are you present? Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
64. Read the polyethylene. Are you present? 63. Roll number 63.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the screen is visible to you. Polyethylene related read करा.
It is flexible, very high, light but tough plastic. It is impermeable to water vapor and does not with age unless it is exposed to sunlight for a long period. It has high to gases such oxygen which can lead to deterioration of material stored in it. Its melting point below being in the range of 110 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Containers made from it can to be by heat.
So first one, plastic polymer is polyethylene in which it is flexible, that is capable to bending easily without breaking, that is flexible, that is bending capability, then capacity. Then they are very light but tough plastic. Polyethylene are the light in weight, but they are tough plastic. Then second, it is impermeable to water vapor and does not deteriorate with age unless it is exposed to the sunlight for the long period. It is impermeable to water vapor, means water vapor ला ते permeable नसतात, not allowing to pass the water vapor.